Well, good morning, YouTube. All right, it's Thursday morning and we're out here, got everything opened up, ready for our business day to start. You know what? I came out early again today to try to play with the drone. Still a little windy, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna give it a try anyway. So I got it to lift off and I crashed it immediately, and now I can't get it to work right. One of the blades isn't spinning fast enough and it won't fly straight. So I don't know what I did. Maybe I broke it for good. Who knows? We'll see if we can get it fixed, but sorry to disappoint. I was really looking forward to getting some footage on it, but I'm not gonna give up. I'll see what I can do to fix it. I can fix just about anything. All right, everyone, things are starting to get busy. The bikes are rolling in. The crowds are starting to show up. A line of them trying to get in. On top of that, the back area behind the Goliath, we've already got that filled up with motorcycles as well. All the way down. All right, this is the second rotation on the list, but we got all three of them full. Slinging that AMS oil, keeping the guys busy. Looks like just about everybody here is busy. Yeah, Sounds Audio here. These guys built some of the best sounding stereo systems I've ever heard for motorcycles. All right, everybody, it's only been about 15 minutes, and there we go. We got them all filled up again with different motorcycles. Looking like it's going to be a good day. Alright guys, and just like that again, got them all rotated out. Whole new set of bikes up there. Looking like a good day for oil changes today. All right, everybody, I got one more motorcycle I want to show you here, but before you look at it, if you've got sunglasses handy, put your sunglasses on. Hey guys, bit of a pleasant surprise. Michaela and Zach showed up today and they brought the grandkids up to see us. Say hi, Grayson.
Hi.
Say hi, Pumpkin. We got another beautiful one coming today. Check this thing out. Look at the detail on the paint. Well, all right, everybody. The day has come and gone. It was really busy. Shutting everything down now. Going to turn off these love jugs. Go out here and shut off this motorcycle. We're going to drop these curtains and maybe go get something to eat. Like I said, my kids and grandkids are in town to visit us. Maybe go visit them, have some dinner, and just relax. Today was a fairly busy day. It really was. You see the place is kind of clearing out now. And there's still people here, but definitely not the busy that it was earlier. All right, so let me get back to closing all this stuff up, and we'll catch up with you in a little bit. Tonight for dinner, we're gonna try Harpoon Harry's and see how it is. Never been here before? Oh, there it is, trying to get it up there. Give it a try. All right, guys, dinner at Harpoon Harry's was fantastic. We're gonna call it tonight, gonna go home, go to bed. So till the next time I see you, keep those engines running.